Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the HorizonDex token. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, September 12th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the HorizonDex token just got listed today, September 12th. 13 hours UTC time on a central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search HZNDEX and then simply just buy the token. Now the normal ticker symbol for this token is HZN, but there most likely is already a ticker symbol HZN listed on MEXC Global. So if you're searching for this specific token on MEXC, you would search HZNDEX. So if you want to find their Twitter, I'm going to put it up right here for you guys to find, at HorizonDex_IO. This token here is, they already have 4,500 holders. It says it's on the LINEA blockchain. You can check out their LINEA scan. And yeah, so they have 4,500 holders, 21,000 transfers, 18 decimal places, a total supply of 100 million HZN tokens. You could also find this token listed on CoinGecko. They have a full white paper, Discord, Telegram, GitHub, Twitter, webpage, and Medium articles. So their webpage is HorizonDex.io, real easy to find. And if you want to skip right over to their white paper, just go to docs.horizondex.io. So, welcome to the HorizonDex. We're introducing a groundbreaking approach to trading on LINEA. HorizonDex is a concentrated liquidity decentralized exchange which lets users allocate liquidity with a custom price range, enabling traders to maximize their efficiency and minimize slippage. So they have a documentation that serves as a comprehensive guide, providing you with all the necessary information to navigate and utilize the advanced features and capabilities on the HorizonDex. So that's what their white paper is for. Whether you're a seasoned trader or new to the world of decentralized exchanges, their white paper will empower you to take full advantage of the unique benefits offered by HorizonDex. Let's dive in and explore decentralization trading together. So, why would it be on LINEA? Well, it says a few reasons for our team to build on LINEA. The recent launch of LINEA, a zero-knowledge roll-up solution by consensus, has introduced a compelling alternative to existing Layer 2 scaling solutions. With LINEA gaining traction in the Ethereum ecosystem, it's worth exploring why migrating projects to LINEA chain can be favorable, and then it goes over why they did that with the zero-knowledge roll-ups, consensus backing LINEA, advanced developing tools, and it says, in conclusion, HorizonDex has strategically chosen LINEA as its foundation for several compelling reasons. By leveraging LINEA's ZK roll-up technology powered by Consensus ZK EVM, we position ourselves as the primary liquidity hub for LINEA. Our goal is to drive LINEA's growth and facilitate its widespread adoption, ultimately leading to mainstream recognition. So their mission, HorizonDex is the first concentrated liquidity DEX on LINEA, and it's dedicated to its mission and becoming the prominent liquidity hub for the LINEA ecosystem. So HorizonDex is the first ecosystem focused on community-driven DEX built on LINEA, and their mission aligns with the mission of LINEA. To accomplish this objective, we will introduce compelling incentive programs that enable users to earn attractive yields on the tokens they prefer. Our overreaching goal is straightforward yet impactful: to drive the growth of LINEA and establish a foundation that facilitates mainstream adoption of decentralized finance. So they have community governance. The concept of community governance holds significant influence in driving adoption, and the growing significance of novel product development approaches is particularly crucial within the highly competitive realm of advanced technology. At HorizonDex, we possess a strong belief in the transformative potential of DeFi and blockchain technology. So, within the DEX, you can swap, add liquidity. There's farming pools, concentrated liquidity, and the LINEA native DEX. So there's all different features that you could check out for that. But if you want to learn step-by-step how to use this platform, basically all the utilities within it, then you can check out their document section, docs.horizondex.io. Now there's also governance, so you'll be able to take part in voting rights on proposals on which way do you think the project should go. They have a very lengthy roadmap, but basically, you know, you can read about each thing in depth. But basically, it starts with the concept phase, marketing, study and planning, creating the founding team, smart contract development, testnet launch, finishing documents, partnerships, kickoff of the testnet campaign, smart contract audit, preparing for mainnet launch, governance launch, point system, UX, UI improvements, liquidity growth, trading campaign, expanding the ecosystem, and then coming soon is going to be analytics dashboard, bridge integration, post-launch development and support, additional swapping features, building more on the ecosystem with partners, and shipping new products. Now, specifically about their token here, they have, it's basically the governance token for the protocol. We already went over, it's on the LINEA blockchain, total supply 100 million tokens. But how it's split up basically is 35% of the tokens go to liquidity mining, 15% development, 12.45% public sale, 12% marketing and advisors, 9% protocol owned to liquidity, 6% ecosystem rewards, 2.55% private sale, 8% team tokens which are vested. Now they have the HZN token is what you acquire when you stake the token. So you can learn all about staking if you like. There's frequently asked questions, all sorts of stuff. They have an audit. Check it all out, docs.horizondex.io, and you can find this token newly listed on MEXC Global. So check out that MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box if you don't have an account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens of what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.